Hello folks, I look after IBM Security Intelligence Solution pre-sales for Asia Pacific region. One of the typical queries that customers have is how can Qradar integrate with external workflow solution? With this in mind, I have created this video to demo the integration. So what I have here is the Qradar instance, and you are seeing the offense tab. There's actually 0 offense here. When the offense is generated, IBM can notify analysts and all the associated data such as network, asset, vulnerability, forensic data, and analytic context with the offense can be tied together and be sent across to a external workflow solution like IBM SCCD, which is IBM Smart Cloud Control Desk. It is essentially a workflow system by IBM. SCCD is designed to address 3 ITSM main processes, namely service management, change and configuration management, and IT asset management. Security incident management falls under service management in ITSM. So there are a couple of helpful features from a security monitoring perspective. User can self-service search past history and find out answers. So basically there's a knowledge base, database built in. There's a visual queue on the status of the ticket so that the help desk agent, or in this case, a security analyst, can quickly decide what kind of action to be performed on the ticket. It also comes with an advanced workflow for organization out of the box. User can create new or modify this workflow template, and it can be reused for testing purpose when there's a change of workflow. Thus, this helps ensure operation workflow or security incident management workflow be tested before being deployed and always in line with policy. So what we are showing here is a Qradar dashboard that I've created in SCCD. There's actually 0 open incidents. So we are starting everything from clean slate. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simulate some offense. I'm going to fire up my party here, and let's run some command. So I have created some rules to trigger offense. So the rules are specifically looking at command that I run from the command prompt in Qradar. Let's take a look at the command. Let's take a look at the rules. So this is the rule that I've created in Qradar. Basically a simple rule to detect any event that says a user execute a command from the command prompt. So it should trigger the offense by now. So let's just go back to the offense. Click on offense. Sure enough, there's a new offense being created. Offense ID 312. Let's just drill into the offense. And it says the user have executed a command from command prompt. What is interesting here is there's a comment, there's a note here that says that SCCD ticket 1278 is created for offense 312. So what is actually happening at the background is when I execute certain command from the command prompt, Qradar rule triggered an offense. And then an email containing all the information with regard to the offense is being sent across to SCCD. Now, SCCD will then automatically create a ticket based on the information from the email. After the ticket is being created, in this case 1278, it will then call Qradar's API and create an acknowledgement that ties to this particular offense. Right? This is to show the bi-directional integration from between Qradar and the external workflow system, in this case SCCD. So now let's go back to SCCD. Let's just again. I should see Qradar incidents. Yeah, sure enough, one incident is being created, has been queued, right? Waiting for analysis to process it. And we click on this particular incident. Cindy is the owner being assigned to look into this particular incident. Notice here that I'm now logging as Max, which is the Qradar administrator for the incident. So I'm going to log in as Cindy. And try to process the event, this particular ticket. Yep, sure enough, you can see here an incident is being created and is being assigned to Cindy by SCCD. Let's just click on this particular incident or ticket. You see here a description that matches exactly of the offense, because this is actually directly from the information from offense. And all the information with regard to the offense is in the details. Right, you can see the magnitude level, description, source IP, location, right? So a whole bunch of information with regard to the offense being sent across to SCCD. Obviously, we can create multiple fields to split this information, but for this demo sake, convenience sake, I just put everything in one single text box. Now, as a security analyst, I want to, or rather in Cindy in this case, Cindy, right? Incident analysis. So Cindy in this case want to investigate the incident. So you click on the link. You can see here a new tab has been opened. And you will link Cindy back to the offense. Right, for investigation. So say after investigation, Cindy decided to close the ticket. You can just come here and change the status to close. You click OK. What's going to happen at the background is SCCD, once SCCD detected that this ticket is being closed by the incident analysis, it will call Qradar's API to close the respective offense in Qradar. Yep, the offense is being closed. In fact, if we say exclude, remove the filter, right? This is 312, right? 1278 ticket being closed by SCCD. A quick view of how the API can be used. Let me just log in as Max admin again, administrator again. I'm going to show you the script that I have written here. Basically, I'm using automation scripts in SCCD. So this is a Jython script. And what you can see here is that the Jython script is actually trying to look at the status of the ticket. And based on the status, it will actually call Qradar's web API either to create an acknowledgement or, in this case, to close the ticket. All right, folks, that's how a quick integration can be done between Qradar and external workflow system. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.